Good morning, everyone. This is a nice day to all of us, and in behalf of the Antique Christian Center family, we would like to praise and thank God for giving us a governor who has a big heart and a governor who is willing to help her constituents. So, Governor Kajal, we really praise and thank God for your life. May will be continue to be a channels of blessing, and we will continue to lead this province of Antique to become a productive and fruitful one because of your willingness to help. So God bless, and may your leadership in this province of Antique will be a fruitful and productive one. So, being an alumna of the Antique Christian Center, we are proud of you. God bless in your journey being the leader of this province. Thank you so much. We love you, and God bless you.